Hello, and welcome to CD Cruise Live. Today I thought I'd just do a small stream of more Minecraft contraptions stuff. I am continuing my work on Pictionary in Minecraft, and I have done some stuff off stream, and I've got quite a bit of progress. I do say so myself. Okay. I kind of forget what before stream I didn't have this whole box. So I've made a box now. Oh, shoot, this full screen. There's a box. There's also barriers there separating the people guessing and the people that are drawing in this area. So yeah, there's some cool stuff. So yeah, I'm in the process of getting the whole structure of the game down, like starting the game, picking whose turn it is and stuff like that. So right now I'm gonna go to picking trying to figure out how many players are in the game, which is not too hard, I think, from the way I've set this up. Also, I gotta take up this mana thing. I have no idea where we are in the world, which is not good. Actually, I should probably set my spawn point. Actually, we might just start a whole new world. Get out of this world, because it's got all these other random functions running right now. So I might just save, quit, and save these functions stuff, and then make a whole new world. A whole new world. I'm bad at singing, but I'll keep doing it. Okay, is that it? Wait. Yes, okay. Copy. I'm gonna copy this to a safe, undisclosed location. So now we can delete this world. I don't think we need it. And we can create a new world. We're gonna call it Pictionary, because that's what we're doing. Super flat, it doesn't really matter what it is. There we go. And now if I go back, okay, go back to here, and I gotta copy back my data pack. That rhymed. Oh, what? Oh, right. Okay, just wait. Okay, game, shush. I mean, computer, shush. Let me do what I'm trying to do. Okay. It should be good now. Yay, okay. So I should be able to just reload. Why is this off screen? Reload, and then functions, all our Pictionary stuff. And if I get out my command blocks, I should be able to place this. And this should do things. Yeah, there we go. Ah, game rule. And game rule. Slash game rule. There. So this is great mobs. Let's turn that off. Okay, so this is how it would be if someone just took my data pack and loaded this into the world. It should just load like this, with nothing different or weird, it just works. And then if I click on this button, yeah. Now we wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, where did it TP me to? That's not good. Why did it TP me to there? That's weird. Just TP'd me to nowhere. Where am I going? Where did you TP me to? Why? Oh, I used actual coordinates and not relative. I thought I'd do that. Of course I did. Running, teleport, all players. Let's teleport them all to this, I guess. And then we do the same thing. But then just teleport them up and teleport all players. They should be a distance equals less than 5. Would make it a bit easy. Less than 5. Teleport them up 3, and I think minus 10. And 0, 0. Hopefully this will work. Ah, right, forgot. There we go. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh, did I break it? What did I break? Dang it, game. Wait, no. Online what? Come on. Tell me what's right. Distance 70. What's wrong with that? Can you only teleport? No. You should be able to... Ah. Wait, oh. What's wrong with this? Only allowed one. Yeah, okay. So we'll just do limits 1. There we go. There we go. So now if we click this again, it should work. Where did it? Oh, okay, that's to the side. No, we want to go back. Back toward our field draw. Okay, so we're going this way, I guess. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay, cool. And this button should not be pressable anymore. So that's good. But we're gonna just try again anyway. It's good to test. I'll put sound effects and stuff in later. Yep, that's pretty much what I want. Okay. Okay, now we can do a sorting process somewhere in between where we're doing this stuff. So when we have everyone with Pictionary, we have to figure out a way to, so this adds the Pictionary tag to them. But we have to count how many people we add the Pictionary tag to. So let's do something. We need a way. Well, let's make the objective first. It'll be scoreboard dummy. Player count. Okay, so let's do limit to 1, and if tag equals not Pictionary. So this will take a bit of a few ticks, but it should be okay. Okay, so execute at the stand, right. Actually, we won't need that part anymore. We might need I need something to create the sequence. That's the word. The sequence of how everything goes. So why don't we go make a new thing? Sequence. So okay. Where's the... There we go. We'll do this as well for sequence. Let's see. sequence. Okay, cool. So -1. So it'll set sequence to, if it's -1, that just means it's not running the game. But as soon as it goes to, as soon as the game has been launched, which will be from this point onwards, we will set them to run. Okay. Yeah, from here we can make it so it'll run the game sequence to start up at least. So first, it will set scoreboard. Nope. Scoreboard players set self to pick sequence. I'm gonna always mess this one up. Sequence to to 0. So 0 means it's gonna count players. Did I do sequence right? Pick sequence. Yeah, cool. Okay, set it to 0. And as long as its score is of 0 for that thing, it will keep checking to see how many players are. Sequence. Okay, there we go. Okay, that'll... Hopefully this works accurately. I can't test this because I don't have enough people. Or I'm in a single player world. And no one's watching right now. So I can't ask anyone if they want to join me on a small server. But anyway, theoretically, this should work. So it'll set offset. Run if if entity player distance equals below 70 and does not, and tag is not Pictionary, we will add one to that. And they should pretty much be the same. And then execute at this unless there's no one there. Unless there's no one. Oh, oops, I forgot to run, didn't I? Run. Pictionary run. Saying how many players are up, so we'll get our good old tell raw thing up again. and we'll say scoreboard objective of this thing. Scoreboard objective of pick player count. Players have been registered to play. So that just means that's how many people are in the game. Hopefully this works. Tell all people with the tag equal Pictionary and distance equal less than 70. Cool. So this should do a thing, and I hope it does. It should tell me that there's only one person in here as soon as I finish this counting down. And it didn't. Okay, great. Let's see if we can get an objective list. No? Really? Why isn't that? That should be. I don't think I set it to 0 at the top. No, I didn't. Okay. Let's set sequence player count. We can set that one to 0, I think. Big player count, big player count. Did I do something wrong? Do I have the Pictionary tag? No, I don't. That's weird. Okay, well, maybe a more useful thing would be to see if the sequence thing is set -1 now. It changed to 1. Isn't it supposed to be 0? Oh, this thing's what I didn't do. Okay. It should be player count. There we go. Now that should fix it. Let's hope it fixes it. Now we wait. Well, it works, but this is... It doesn't stop. I know why though. But how do I make it stop? Okay. Let's do a checking number of players. At all people. Do a short tag. Cool. These ones will all be two. Is that all the pick sequence scores? Pretty sure. Okay, so we don't need that. So what was that? Anyway, oh, I think that's okay, AFK thing. We'll do another countdown, but we'll do it. Let's where is it? Let's do it if that, and if pick sequence equals -1. Is that anywhere else? That might be the only place where that is a thing. Okay. So if I go back to here, let's reload and do that. Hello, Dylan number 3. Okay, cool, that's still working. Oops. Ah, dang it. Great. I remember you. Vaguely. I remember the name, but I don't remember what we talked about. Or what stream you were watching previously. Why are these constantly going? This... Wait, what are the 3? think I have to add this to all of these, if I'm not mistaken. And the kid was kicked out of your Discord because I was a year younger. Oh, okay. Well, hello. Those can all... Yeah, okay, cool. Right. If I do this now, it should be fine. Okay, yeah, and that'll just keep going. Great. Number of players. Let's make this 2, 2, 2, and 2. We can make that actually however long we want, can't we? There's some complex stuff I have to do, but okay. If that is that, then we do that. Right. So we actually don't need this. We can do that. Except for this last one where we actually say that we found everyone. Oh, but this might work. Yeah, this might work. It might just work. So if I remove all of this, so we can set the score 2-2. Let's see how that goes. Reload. Okay, cool. Oh no. Dang it. I did something wrong. What did I do wrong, game? What? Dang it. Game. Let us run. What is wrong? Oh, what? Yeah, okay, what was that doing there? You don't belong there. Hopefully that's not anywhere else. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's try this now. Here we go. More waiting and waiting. being registered to play. Okay, I'll have to make it so it'll register, like, or it'll say you have to have at least 2 people to play. But I will figure that out later. I can probably try and figure it out now. It'll basically just be if there is only one after when it gets to sequence 2. But I'll have to disable this code a bit later, for now at least. So when you're at sequence 2, we don't need the unless now. But we can do if there is entity actually so yeah, we can do it easily. We just at 2 and pick player count equals 1. Let's run this thing that says there is only 1 player. You need at least 2 players to play this game. Game has been reset. Okay, so it'll be the warning message if we get only 1 player playing the game. Equal. Oh, my friend's messaging. Okay, okay, we're gonna keep going with this. So if there's only 1 player, it should keep going. And it's gonna delete the, it's just gonna kill the armor stand. Kill self. It's kind of sad, but yeah, it's gonna kill itself if there's not enough players. It's slightly sad, but it'll be fine. Hopefully this works. Oh, whoops. Wait, what? Ah, okay. I think that worked as intended. Okay, It doesn't wait that long to tell you that it's failed. Okay. But it does work. That's working. So play this game, game has been reset. And that should just keep working, that should keep going if I just click. That should be fine. Cool, that works. I don't need that CD cruise information every time it resets, but why not? Okay, so that I'm gonna just disable that for now. And if it's more than 2 people, we can continue. Okay, sorry, my friend's just messaging. Anyway, run. So that'll take it to sequence 3, I guess. We can just keep going up in sequences. It doesn't really matter. We can have 100 sequences. So now we're up to sequence 3, which basically means the game has begun. And we can actually get into the gameplay of it. Did I disable those? Yes, that should work still though. Okay, reload. Cool. I'll have to also change. I'll have to make a note here. Change pick player count to equal 2 plus instead of 1 plus. Later on, because I have to change it to 1 plus right now, so it'll actually work for me. Because I'm in single player and I'm all alone. But let's just, guess we can test it. I don't know why I like to just keep testing things. I just like when things work. Cool. Checking number of players. 1 player has been registered to play. We can make wait times between things though. By using the sequence. Yeah, we can do that to make it just a bit more professional. Resetting to what's resetting the game. And then we can, so let's just do this. Make that, yeah, let's make it 100. 200. So we will have between run till, yep, cool. Copy this here. If it means 1, and sequence count is 2 to 199, we will run a counter to keep counting till 200. Where's scoreboard? There it is. Scoreboard. Add 1. That should work. If I've done my calculations correctly. And that should only happen after 200 as well. Alright, oh, why did I click it? Why did that work, actually? That should not work. But okay. There's only one player, you need 2 players, keep resetting the game. Cool. Yes, that's how I wanted it to work. Now I should be able to click, and that just starts the game again, and we can cancel. Cancel. Okay, cool. That's what I want, but why was this thing going even after? Was that just something weird? I'm not sure. Let's cancel again. Okay, but we don't need to wait that time to change the sequence 3 if there is more than 2 people. So let's disable this stuff right now. There's more than 1 person. Continue the game. Okay, so now we're on to sequence 3, which does not have anything to do with that. But I'll change that back to 1. And what happens after we figure out how many people are in the game? Then we will second players. Okay, then we'll choose. We go to choosing player starter, player's turn. Actually, we do need to give every person a unique ID, so we know whose turn it is. That makes it a bit confusing. Okay. Sequence 1. Player count if they don't have Pictionary tag. And we'll use the same player count thing for players. So at sequence 1, no Pictionary. We're going to do a scoreboard operation. Scoreboard players operation to make the target score of player count to equal the other player, the E pick player count. Okay. So take off that, and we should do that. So it should give me a player count of 1, technically. And then 2 for 2, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Etc. And we gotta make this tag very... Okay. So it'll be someone with if. Then we'll tag an entity who doesn't have the Pictionary tag. And we'll give them the tag of the entity, but we won't give the tag to scores equal pick player count equals more than 1. Cool, so that should go. It should give the player count to armor stand. Then after that, it should give the count of the armor stand to a player without the Pictionary tag. Then it should give the Pictionary tag to a person without the Pictionary tag, but also has a player pick count more than 1 or more than 0. And that should work. Okay, we're gonna have to try this out. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. And now I'm gonna do scoreboard, vectors, set my display to sidebar to pick game count. Yep, that's good. Actually, I should have not sidebar list. Pick. The sequence should be on the sidebar. I mean, sidebar pick sequence. Cool. Right. Now here's where things get a bit hard to kind of actually test out in single player when I'm making a multiplayer game, because I need to figure out how to get people to choose one person there, teleport them to there, and they are the player and they draw things while everyone else sits here and has to try and get the answers. Okay, this is definitely going to be quite a challenge, especially in single player. But anyway, I like a good challenge. A challenge I can do. Well, I think I can do this challenge. I will have to summon some armor stands. I mean, not armor stands. Some anvils for people to use, because that'll be how people create their Okay, so now, yeah, we're on track. So this is, if the game continues, we set it to sequence 3. Sequence 3 now chooses a player. It chooses the player with a player count of 1. Run. We don't need player pick count in there anymore because it's already been confirmed from this start. So we're on a sequence 3. So it will say to everyone, we can make it seem like it's doing some random generation, but we're just going to be picking whoever got the number 1 on their objective. Picking starting play. Picking painter for this turn. Dot dot dot. Okay. So we'll do that until roll everyone with distance distance equals 70, and now we can use the tag Pictionary just to make sure. Okay. There's going to be a bit of things that aren't exactly easy to do with making this as like being able to handle as many players as they want. Which, like, for the gameplay it shouldn't be too hard, but for like actually doing it, it's going to be actually like making it register that many turns for that many people. It's going to be a bit of a challenge. Okay. Now. I don't have that much time left for this stream, like 15 minutes. But we'll keep going and see how I can do this. Picking sequence. So if it's armor stand from there to, we'll do another 200, yeah, 290. Because this is now when the actual game is playing. So execute as that's at self run. Add 1. Yeah, we might need to use player count again. Pick player count because we used 200 before. 2 or more. Did we do player count? How did we do it? Okay, yeah. So now it's going to be that, and it's going to say Where is it? It's gonna say selector player distance equals 1. No, equals 70 with scores equals pick player count equal 1. Yellow. Oh yeah, let's do it. It is this person's turn. It is turn to paint. Cool. And this should work how I want it to. Hopefully. To all people with... Where is that? There we go. Now let's see how this goes in the game. Let's reset everything. Ah, but that's not reset. We should reset everyone's numbers. At least at one point in this chain. Pick game start. Okay, at just pick sequence 0, I think we can do this. No wait, that's giving the numbers, isn't it? No, it's not. It's the next one that's giving it. Okay. So we can remove player count. All players distance equal 70. But this should all go very quick, so people shouldn't even notice what is happening. It'll flash before their eyes. Okay. Cool. There we go. Whoops. Oh, that's one way to break my thing. There we go. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I can't tell if it actually reset, but okay. Picking painter for this turn. Cool. Oh, but it didn't tell me who the painter was. Why didn't it tell me? Why didn't it tell me? Play count. Pick sequence equals It should be like spamming me with this player is turn to paint. So why is it? It's not even running it. What? Oh, right. It is CD Cruise. Yes, it is. So why didn't you tell me previously? Because I don't have more than 2 players right now. Did I disable this stuff? I did, so don't have to worry about that. But I'll have to make a note. Change that again. Because I'm dealing with myself and I. So that should work this time. Hey sheep. Hey, there we go. Okay, and it should... I should do a thing. So we run and set to 2-1. Okay, so I still don't have really my player choosing thing set completely, but anyway, we will work on that later. Don't have enough time right now. Picking painter for this turn. It is CD Crew's turn. Okay, let's just change this slightly so it says it is CD Crew's turn. But yeah, that's working exactly how I want it to. I might make it a bit quicker though, because we don't need to wait this much. Give me a 100. $99. So if I do that again. It is CD Crew's turn to paint. Wow. Okay. That's pretty good. That's quite a bit of progress, I think, in this whole painting thing. And as you would have seen in my previous stream, we already actually got the painting stuff down pat, and that works really well. We're really down to just the mechanics of how the game works that we're trying to sort out and organize players. Pick who is actually supposed to be painting, who's guessing, how the guesses get registered, and generating the random words to try and guess. So we have a lot of work to do. But I think the majority of the main structure of this game has been completed, and we're just kind of filling in the blanks. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching, anyone who did. And I will see you next time on CD Crew's Live. Bye.